What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at a mouse pad and a wireless optical mouse. Now, this was sent out to me by this company. Big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. I'll drop the product purchase link down below. So let's go ahead and take a look at the mouse pad first. Now, this is a large mouse pad, as you guys will see. That features a non-slip base, and that's going to be down here. Go ahead and see if I can get this plastic off of here. So this is going to help it stay in place. All right, so it has a non-slip base on it. Now, as you guys see, if I put it there, it's definitely not going to move. You're going to have a premium wrist rest right here. As you guys see, it has these kind of have these ridges on it. That's kind of massage your wrist at the same time. Very big. It's going to be durable and washable. And you can get this in several different colors. You can get it in black, cyan, pink, purple, and sky blue. Price is going to range anywhere from $9.49 up to $11.99. So here it is, and that feels pretty comfortable right there. And you got a large area here for your mouse. So next, we're going to take a look at the mouse. So here's the packaging that the mouse comes in. That's the name of it. Life is Full of Miracles 2.4 wireless optical mouse. You got 1200 DPI. You're going to have nano receiver. This uses two AAA batteries, and this has 5 buttons as well. Now, this can be used with the left or right hand, and here's some more features on the back right here. And like I said, it comes with the USB nano receiver, elegant and comfortable design, high precision with long durability. Let's see what else here. High tracking speed, 1200 DPI, 5 buttons, anti-slip rubber stroll wheel, previous, next, page buttons, and this is compatible with Windows and Mac and Linux. So those are some of the specs right there. And the batteries do not come included. So let's go ahead and take a look at the mouse, and then we'll get this hooked up to my laptop and see just how well the combination works together. So, and also in the packaging, you get some paperwork, literature here. This is your user's manual. Always good to have that. And then here's the mouse. So they sent me out the red one, but it does come in different colors. This is very nice looking mouse, man. I do like the way it look. There are your 2 buttons on the side. You got your 2 click buttons here, and then you got your stroll wheel. And there's a nice little landing spot there for your stroll wheel. And then on the bottom, you got on and off. You got your sensor right there, and this is where your batteries will go right here. So that just comes out like that. And here's your receiver. It has the name of it on there as well. Gonna leave that out. I'm gonna have to get some batteries, get this thing plugged in, then we'll take a look at it. Now this is a kind of a powder look on the remote, on the mouse, and that does have some branding right there, so feels good. Both hands. Let's go ahead and get the batteries, and we'll try this thing out. Okay, guys, so I have my laptop out. I have my mouse with batteries in it already. All I need to do is just plug in the little USB-A receiver into the USB-A port on my laptop, and there it is. So let's go ahead and turn on the power first. There it is, as you guys see. Now the pointer is moving, as you guys see here. Moving around pretty smooth. Now this is kind of fast right now, but if you want to slow this down, you can go into your mouse setting on your laptop or Mac, and you can slow it down like that. But this is not too fast for me right now. It's very smooth, very minimal movement, and it's reacting. So let's try left click. So left click works great. If I wanted to change my wallpaper or do some adjustments here, no problem there. Let's go ahead and open up the browser. And the wrist rest feels great on the wrist. These little ridges right here, bumps, feel nice on the hand. And the wrist rest is keeping the mouse, my hand at the right height. And the width of this is very nice. I don't have to worry about going off the edge of the mouse pad. So let's go to a website. Let's go to Best Buy. Let's open up Apple. So I got 2 web pages open here, strolling around. Very nice, very easy. Now I'm going to use the back button on the side of it to go to the previous. And as you guys see, it went right back. Let's go use the front one. Return to Apple, as you guys see. So I'm going to go to Best Buy. I'm going to use the left click to open up this, up right here. That's the left click. And as you guys see, working great. If I want to right click on this and copy the image or whatever, all of this is working great. Strolling is working good. No issues here. The mouse is very responsive. And the wrist rest and mouse pad feels excellent. So let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay guys, so this has been my look at this very nice mouse pad and mouse combination by this company right here. I think it works very well together. Get a big, large area here for your mouse. All of the clicks, the buttons, and everything work very well together. And this mouse pad definitely has some great memory foam right here for your wrist rest. And it just works great with all the press and clicks and everything as well. So I will definitely leave the product purchase link down below if you guys want to pick this up. Will H. I'm out.